What if I told you that the sweetest thing in your life might actually be your most dangerous addiction? Not alcohol, not caffeine, not even nicotine, but sugar.
Sugar is hidden everywhere. Your morning coffee, your snacks, your so-called healthy foods. And while it gives you that instant rush, that sweet high, what it's really doing is quietly poisoning your body, aging you faster, and keeping you trapped in cycles of fatigue, cravings, and disease.
But here's the good news. If you make the bold decision to cut sugar from your diet, even for just 30 days, your body begins a miraculous transformation. A reset, a reprogramming of your health, your energy, and even your brain.
Today, I want to take you on that journey, day by day, week by week, what actually happens to your body if you stop sugar for 30 days. And I promise you, by the end, you'll never look at sugar the same way again.
The first 2 days are the hardest. Why? Because sugar is addictive. Studies show it lights up the same pleasure centers in the brain as cocaine. So when you cut it off, your brain rebels. You may feel headaches, mood swings, irritability, and intense cravings. Your body is screaming, "Where's my sugar hit?" This is not weakness, it's chemistry. Your dopamine levels, artificially spiked by sugar, suddenly drop, and your brain has to relearn how to function without its favorite crutch.
But here's the breakthrough. These symptoms mean your body is already starting to detox. Your insulin levels are stabilizing, your blood sugar is evening out, and your liver is beginning the process of healing from sugar overload.
By the third day, something surprising happens. The fog begins to lift. Your blood sugar levels, once spiking and crashing all day, are now steady. No more mid-afternoon slumps. No more roller coaster of energy highs and crashes. Your body begins to burn stored fat more efficiently. Why? Because without constant sugar, insulin, the fat storage hormone, finally takes a back seat. Many people report clearer thinking, sharper focus, and more consistent energy. It's as if the brain wakes up after years of being clouded by sugar. But don't be fooled, the cravings still come, especially at night when your body remembers its old routine of sweet snacks. This is the moment where discipline rewires you. Push through and your body will thank you.
By the second week, changes become undeniable. Your skin begins to glow. Sugar is a major cause of inflammation, which leads to acne, puffiness, and premature aging. Cutting sugar reduces this inflammation, allowing your skin to clear and repair itself.
Your gut begins to feel. Excess sugar feeds harmful bacteria and yeast in your digestive system. By removing sugar, the balance shifts. Good bacteria thrive, digestion improves, bloating decreases. Your taste buds reset. Suddenly, foods taste different. Fruit becomes sweeter. Vegetables have new depth of flavor. Your body is relearning how real food is supposed to taste. This week is the turning point. You realize sugar wasn't giving you energy, it was stealing it.
By week 3, your body is now in full recovery mode. Your weight begins to drop. Without sugar spiking insulin, your body finally accesses fat stores for fuel. Belly fat, especially the most dangerous kind around your organs, starts to melt away. Your heart is protected. Blood pressure drops, triglyceride levels lower, and your risk of heart disease decreases. Sugar was quietly straining your cardiovascular system, and now your heart can rest. Your brain rewires. This is perhaps the most powerful change. Your dopamine receptors, once dulled by constant sugar highs, begin to normalize. Cravings weaken. Willpower strengthens. You no longer feel like a slave to sugar. You feel free. By the end of 30 days, you are not the same person who started. Your energy is natural and consistent. No more crashes, no more dependency. You wake up energized, not groggy.
Your sleep improves. Sugar disrupts deep sleep by spiking cortisol at night. Now, your body slides into deep, restorative rest. Your immune system strengthens.
Sugar suppresses white blood cells, the soldiers that fight infection. With sugar gone, your immune defense grows stronger. Your risk of disease plummets. Type 2 diabetes, obesity, fatty liver disease, even some cancers all linked to sugar. By eliminating it, you've reduced the single greatest dietary risk factor for modern disease.
And perhaps most importantly, your mind changes. You've proven to yourself that you can break free from addiction. You feel in control, clear, powerful. Now, here's the truth. 30 days without sugar is not just a challenge. It's an awakening. Because once you feel the benefits, you'll never want to go back. Sure, you might reintroduce natural sugars in moderation, fruit, honey, dark chocolate, but the idea of living on sodas, donuts, and candy will feel like poison. And that's because it is.
When you remove sugar, you discover what life is like when your body is operating as it was designed to: clear, strong, resilient, and free. So ask yourself, are you ready to reclaim your health, your energy, your mind? Are you ready to trade temporary pleasure for lasting strength? Because the truth is simple. 30 days without sugar can change your life. It can heal your body. It can sharpen your mind. It can show you who you really are without chains of addiction. The sweetest victory you will ever taste is not in sugar. It is in freedom.